Starting right now. Let's get to work.
Welcome. We are going to use a trusted tool called SharpKey. And to get SharpKey, you need to go to Microsoft Store. I prefer Microsoft Store to download the application SharpKey. So to do that, you click on your window button and type Microsoft Store. Over here, you click open, and when it opens, you search for SharpKey by typing SharpKeys on the search bar and click on the search button. And after that, you install SharpKey. Make sure you go for SharpKeys that's produced by Randy Rand LLC. And once you're done with that, you click open. You will be prompted that the application is from an unknown publisher and is about to make changes to your computer. Please go ahead and click yes. And if you're worried about the software and its authenticity, I made a video on how you can verify all softwares before running them on your PC and how you can make sure they don't appear as Trojan. Trojan means legitimate software that have malicious scripts that can compromise your PC. So you can go and watch that video after this, how to verify softwares before you run them on your PC to make sure you're good, you're secured and safe. So here, once SharpKey is installed, we want to raise this a little bit. The first thing you want to do is to go straight to the add button over here. We have two problems that we want to solve. Note, the first problem is we want to fix a broken keyboard, assuming your W is not working. So we want to fix W because W is broken. And the second problem is in a situation where W is continuously typing on your PC without stopping. So we'll take it step by step. I will fix the first one. So when you click on the add button over here, a kind of window will open showing you map this key to this key. So we'll select a key that we know we do not use often or we barely use on our keyboard so that we can replace that key with the W which is broken. Now in my case, I'll be using the brackets, the open bracket key as a substitute to the W. So on the right window, you scroll down to your broken key. For the sake of this video, we'll be using W and click on W. And when you click on W, you type OK. Now W has been mapped to open bracket. So once you're done with your configuration, you write to registry. After writing to registry, you restart your PC for the settings to take effect. And the second problem that we want to solve is to substitute a stock key that is continuously typing. I think that is the worst case when it comes to one of the worst cases that we may encounter with our laptops whenever our keyboards are bad. So let's also use W. Let's assume W is continuously typing. We'll go straight and click on the W key, and then we use this option turn off. We click on the first option on the second window, and that's, if you look closely, it is turn off. So when you do this, you are automatically turning off the key W. And after turning it off, now remember we still want to use W. Okay, after turning it off, you now want to map another key and assign W to that key, since the main W is continuously iterating, continuously typing. So we'll now choose, like in the first scenario, in the first problem we solved, we'll choose a key that we don't use or that we barely use. You can equally type the key if you can't find it here, but it's present on your keyboard. You need to click the key. So I have a key here on my keyboard that I want to substitute with W. I'll click on it. As you can see, this is the key. So when I click OK, SharpKey, the software, have picked the key and created a space automatically, and now waiting for us to map the new key to that space. Now remember, W is the character we are using for this example. We'll now map W to that key by clicking on W, next clicking OK. So here W have been mapped to this new key on our keyboard. Whenever you click on this key, W will type instead. Now after the settings, make sure to write to registry and restart. Make sure you write to registry and restart for the settings to take place. And if you ever get the keyboard and wish to undo or revert these current settings, it only takes 5 seconds. Open SharpKey and click on this mapping and delete. Click on delete button, right to registry. After you click on delete, you click on the key you mapped, you click on delete, and then you write to registry. After you delete, please log out or reboot for these changes to take effect. You just fix your laptop and save your money in under 2 minutes. If this video saved your hardware and also saved you some cash, hit that subscribe button right now so that you don't miss the next tech hack. Drop a comment telling me which tech problem you're facing at the moment. See you in the next one.